Allow me to invite the Youth Assembly, Comrade Ostalos, 2 minutes.
Thank you very much, Comrade President, members of the Democratic Movement. I'm here on behalf of millions of young people in this country to celebrate 20 years of struggle for freedom against military dictatorship in this country. Today we pronounce the end to oppression. Today we pronounce the end to suppression by a military junta presiding over this country. Comrade President, as we celebrate 20 years, we as young people, we want to reaffirm our position. As we celebrate 21 years of democratic struggles, Comrade President, I speak on behalf of the dead. I speak on behalf of Tondra Indira. I speak on behalf of Lenmo Judah Jongo and others. May their soul rest in power. Those who passed under Robert Mugabe's House of Terror, today presided over by Emmerson Mnangagwa. Our message is very simple. We are prepared to surrender ourselves before we surrender this democratic project. As we head towards the most significant struggle of our generation, Comrade President, be rest assured that young people are prepared to suffer and defeat ZANU-PF with or without the electrocentric approach. Comrade President, as we celebrate 20 years, we must reflect on the struggle for democracy. Mr. President, young people are dying. Young people are suffering. Young people have no jobs. Young people wake up at the blessing of an empty stomach and a jobless existence. And as the Youth Assembly, we want to reassure the nation that it's very difficult. Fighting a military dictatorship is not an easy journey. We know there are majority of people that expect a lot from us. We assure you, fellow countrymen, we are prepared. Incrementally, we are going to organize our people. We are going to go to communities. We are going to resist dictatorship. Before you know it, we will be in the streets of Harare and bring an end to tyranny. I thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Murule Murizo.